Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Kapil and today we are going to talk about entryway ideas you need to know about. Modern entryway ideas should be all about less is more. It is largely because this part of the house doesn't have much to play with. Sticking with the modernist mantra will not only keep your entryways feeling cool, clean and stylish, but paring things back will help with this potentially pokey space feel open and bright. And this is exactly the kind of entrance you'll want for your modern home decor ideas. From modern table ideas to sophisticated neutrals and even glass walls, we have put together some stunning modern entryway ideas. So let's get started. Display your art with clever framing. Whether you are drawn to gallery wall ideas or more traditional way of hanging pieces, art will enliven a small entryway and set the tone for the home. The right frame can transform the picture and is critical to the overall feel of the artwork. A modern entryway is the perfect place to make a statement and showcase your unique style. One-off unique pieces create interest in awkward or small space. A strong piece of modern art is also a great way to draw focus to a space often you need little else to bring life to the walls, and it can create a talking point in a spot like an entryway where you pause to greet someone. Invest in a bespoke built sculptural staircase. Designing a staircase for a modern entryway might seem like a mountain of a job, but the upheaval can be worth it. Don't get us wrong, it's definitely not a simple endeavor. You'll almost certainly need professional help and it will be an investment. But what it does do is offer the opportunity to completely alter your home's entrance, potentially turning it into an enviable striking one. Changing the staircase can improve a bad layout and turn a standard interior into something stunning. White room ideas are the simplest of colors, making them perfect for modern entryway. White represents purity, innocence and new beginnings, as well as cleanliness and clarity. It can be used everywhere in the home but is very successful in an entryway where you want to create order and with little distractions. A white entryway is also the ideal foil for a piece of statement furniture or art. When it comes to an entryway, it's very important to create a link. A modern entryway with glazed internal doors doesn't have to be confined to ground level. It can be just as effective at a higher level as it means of connecting two spaces. A dedicated lift serving a penthouse apartment that opens into a glass-framed entryway leading to a landscaped roof garden. The divide between indoor and outdoors can be further blurred through the use of marble flooring in a bespoke design and a decision to expose the original brickwork that spans the space. Make sure to make your foyer functional. Foyers often get completely lost in piles of coats, shoes and backpacks. So to help keep the clutter to a minimum, try to think of everything you want to keep in the entryway and then decide what kind of storage options you need. A decorative dresser can be a beautiful addition to your foyer decor, and it has the bonus benefit of extra storage space. Mirrors are a wonderful addition to the foyer. Not only do they brighten and lighten an often dark space, they make it easy to take a quick look at your makeup and hair before you head out the door. Let your staircase stand out. Just a means of getting from floor A to floor B, staircases are once more being seen as architectural signatures. When considering what looks good in an entryway, decor items and paint need not be the only focus. A sculptural staircase that doubles as a work of art is becoming the must-have detail, and the revival of craftsmanship has refueled an interest in this domestic feature. It's important to provide a spot to sit. Another thing I love to include in the foyer is some type of seating so guests can sit while they remove their shoes or boots. Folding stools or upholstered cubes provide the perfect seating solution in a small entryway or a modern foyer design. Don't forget to add some personality to your entryway. When thinking of foyer decor, add in the colors, patterns or styles you love and that reflects your personality. Find modern entryway art, accent photos and furniture that speak to you and express the look and feeling you want your home to convey. This is it for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.